Alright, some 1v1. Oh, between Joseph with his with his G&G e-bike gun against Javi with his Javelin electric blowback. And I'm in the middle of this recording, and it's Frankie. Playing at an abandoned school. Oh shit. Semi!
It's on semi!
Well, someone just went auto.
That's him!
Javi, it's semi! Okay, I have no idea where Javi. Oh, Javi's somewhere up there. Okay, I'm gonna go follow Joseph. You get where?
Right in my left eye.
Oh, nice. So you got hit once? All right, Joseph got hit once.
Where's some good cover here?
Up here.
Where's his angle at?
Oh, he's got you pretty good.
Hey, slide.
Good job. Already?
Yeah?
Like out of ammo or you got shot out?
Out of ammo.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Oh. Hey.
Alright, Joseph's here and Javi's over there. Hey, where is Javi? Oh, there he is.
Javi ran out of ammo.
Yeah, Javi ran out of ammo for the last game.
Man, his gun can reach actually pretty far.
Yeah, no. His gun reach. Javi's gun reaches really far.
Maybe it's the electric. Hit.
Hit!
Alright, I have one left.
He got hit.
Yeah.
Javi, you should get out of there. You're an idiot.
I don't know, my spot's not really that good either. Oh.
Yeah, start shooting.
Interesting spot, young Padawan.
Okay, that's a good spot. That's actually a good spot, but it's actually a spot you get fucked at. I remember two people were behind there once, and I was facing them, and I freaking charged them, and they didn't even know I came up to them. Because I was shooting while they were going there. Joseph, I remember I was playing, and Christopher and one of his friends was behind there, and I was walking up, and I got right up there, and they didn't even realize I was there. Oh, yep. Fuck, it's hot as a bitch and we forgot water.
Damn it.
Did you lose?
Huh? I still have one life.
Shit, don't shoot me!
What are you doing?
Oh, you're out?
I have one life.
Put your hand up or something, dumbass.
Yeah, I have one.
I did, I was like this.
Oh.
Hey, no.
Whoa. Let me do my tactical position.
You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright, start. Let's try to get to Joseph before this freaking ends. I swear I'm gonna be the one that gets hit. Oh shit, I'm kind of regretting coming over here.
Huh? going?
I don't know. Oh, shit.
Frankie, you should... Mate, where is he now?
I can't tell you. I'm recording. I'm not playing. Shit, he's shooting at me.
Hold that.
Javi, I'm recording. Don't shoot me.
Tactical reload.
That is Joseph calls it.
Rush the spawn. Did you say reloading?
What? Javi, you playing?
What
The hell?
I have a good idea.
Shoot at him.
You should hang on a bit.
You can't move it. There's a chain.
Ball. You think I should stay in this spot?
Not really.
It is a good... FML. Can't really get that good of a shot at him through here.
The only good thing about his spot is the angle he has on us.
And the
Oh, dude, his BB's, dude, he needs work. He needs to fix his hop up.
what about the spot he was just at? No, that's a gay spot.
Yeah, dude, he gets screwed there.
Frankie, what do you think I should do?
I can't help you.
Rush him or?
I can't help you, but you should move up to that track and lay down on that little slope.
Not a good idea, bro.
Kind of is. You can only shoot your head now
How is that good?
because there's less of you to hit.
Shit. I
Can't even see him on the fucking camera. Oh, because you can't see him at all. I can't even see him. I'm gonna go follow Javi. There's your mag.
Oh, gracias.
God, y'all take forever.
Hey, shut up, man. He's doing the same thing over.
Oh shit. Yeah, the better slopes on this side. Oh, he's charging you, dude.
Surrender! Surrender! Surrender!
Ah, shit.
Why did you give up?